Hi everyone, my name is Arla Medjunur Karima. I'm from class E. My student ID is 250512300038. I'm from manufacturing engineering. Now I will explain about damage to the end mill cutter.
An end mill is a cutting tool used in machining to create flat surface profiles or contours on workpiece. End mills are essential cutting tools in manufacturing, particularly in milling. End mills, which have a spiral drill bit, are used to create profiles or contours on an object. End mills are typically mounted on the spindle of a milling machine or CNC machine. The spindle is the rotating part of the machine that holds the cutting tool. The end mill I was holding was damaged, worn out, and the spiral bit was cracked. Premature tool wear in end mills is one of the most common issues machinists will face. Tool wear is often an issue when cutting speed are faster than recommended for the tool, or interestingly enough, when the speed and or feet of the end mill is too light. In addition, hard and naturally abrasive materials work heavily on cutting tools when proper tool coatings are not utilized. Coatings play a major role over a cutting tool and cutting operation, including providing wear resistance and aiding in the efficiency of chip removal. Other common causes of premature wear including the usage of incorrect helix angle or chip recutting. If we ignore a damaged end mill and continue using it, it will result in defective workpiece and the product will need to be remanufactured. Furthermore, the machine's high power consumption increases operational costs, increase the risk of breakdowns, and increase production times due to frequent problems. Solving this problem is quite straightforward in the case of cutting speed and fits being incorrect. Machinists have several options. First, decreasing the spindle speed will correct cutting speed being too fast. Secondly, adjusting speeds and fits by consulting with the manufacturer's speeds and fits charts will allow for proper tool usage. This will also solve chip recutting issues and will adjust depth of cut or DOC and or coolant or air to properly clear chips from the part. Finally, selecting the proper helix angle and coating for the job will get the best lifespan and performance out of the cutting tool. So, a good end mill will produce workpiece with minimal defects. By using a good end mills, we will avoid excessive damage and produce consistently good workpiece. Furthermore, end mill maintenance is also essential. If the end mill is damaged like this, replace it and immediately with a new one. Okay guys, I think that's all for me. Thank you.